Wait, no! Okay, guys, can I ask you a question? Wait. Okay, guys. Yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase umavela ngokhala umabhodwa amanzi abafokazana bebhodwa utshwala. Welcome to another episode of Niyathembana Na. We're in the streets of Johannesburg bafethu. We're looking for beautiful couples, for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi, and sifuna ukwenza show ukuthi sithele itswayi baba. Boom! Hey yo guys, we arrived in Katlehong, you know what it is? K1. I just love this hood, man. There's a lot of drama and I can't get enough of it drama. Yala nekaslamakasi. And ngiphethe my sister phethe uyena umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi angichazele ukuthi izinto zihamba kanjani. It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Niyathembana Na. I'm here guys bafethu. Some solar ground, as you can see. We are at Smiling Trees. Sazonyakazwa ke manje bafethu. Yalazi utab. Coming. Now I want us to go into let's go guys. Let's go. Okay. About the cameras and everything. My name is King Ginger, Donasa Kingsley, and I'm just enjoying to be here, you know. So can you come this side so that please? Yeah. How are you guys? Sure. So my brother, I'm sorry man to disturb you and everything. Are you guys dating?
Yeah, we did.
All right. Nice. So something is coming in. Okay. So some machine and everything. My name is King Ginger and ngihamba ngibheka abantu abathandanayo, abantu abathembanayo othandweni. Njengoba nithi niyathandana and it's been quite a long time. Bengifisa ukwazi ukuthi wena somyamthemba yini umuntu wakho? Ariya, wamuthepa. My brother, do you trust your woman?
Yeah, definitely.
King Ginger, cream de la cream, CMTV, sister Katlehong baba, sister Korok Kumchole baba Sokoro. Right, sorry about that. My brother, what's your name? Jaden. So, can I get a section there, Ramkunupi East. What's up to Ramkunupi East? Alright, cool. What's that Yes. Who's mine? Who's imagine? can hear that you are a very good guy, you are a very nice guy. My guy, you tell me, what do you love about Indlovukazi Mfethu? No, the one and only from the start.
She's so cute.
Yeah. Come aside, guys. Alright, what's your name? And right now, what I want to do. Alright, what I'm saying, I just want to know ukuthi mawuthi nithi nyathi angithi uyamthemba umuntu wakho nawe mama uthemba. Okay, cool. Kune-game engiyidlala mina, it's called couple switching phones. You understand? So it's whereby you give your partner iphone yakho for 60 seconds. Sikwazi ukucheck on WhatsApp, finish check on Facebook, finish check on Instagram. Same applies to her. Ihamba kanjalo le game. Ngingathanda angithi niyathemba, angithi uthemba. Hey guys, it's about that time. Couple switching phones. Do you have phones, guys? Smartphones, right?
Yeah.
Dope. Tell them get a down. Alright guys, it's about that time. It's couple switching phones. I'm in K1 Katagong, smiling to Gwami. Some background they're telling Gwami. Up until they are happy, they wanna see ukuthi kwenzakalani. So mama say, tell me the phone you have. Yes. Okay, telephone yakho. Oh, iphone yami. iPhone yami. Yeah man. Oh my word! Awuthembi, phathi phone ephephule. Uthengele umuntu wakho yini?
Umuntu wami.
Yeah, why phathi phone emantombazane man? And then umamazi uphatha u-triplete bafethu. Yo, bheka lo mntwana uphathani. Yo, K1. Bheka lo mntwana uphathani. 4K baba, 4K. This is couple switching phones. Shit, Musa. Alright, it's about that time. The purple phone, my guy, already done it?
Yeah.
Ngiyathanda uqala ngamachita ngoba amachita kuhlale kuthiwa yiwo angathembeki kanti amachita ayathembeka. Mama zingicela ubambe ifoni indoda yakho. It is about that time. Couple switching phone. Alright mama, ngicela ungene WhatsApp. Okay? Hayi ngena ngeWhatsApp, okay? Imaki, whoa, Swami. Ngene la kusearch. Ngicela ungisearchele uthi I love you. We're on WhatsApp right now and we want to see ukuthi kwenzakalani uJayden. Ingabe uJayden umchito right njengoba esho, ingabe uJayden uyamhlonipha umuntu wakhe. We just want to know about that. Okay?
What's a lot?
I like before you go ayan.
Awuse mama umlomo. Waba umlomo.
I like before you go ayan.
Nabo I love you balandelana lana mfethu.
Si ayanda fela, simupha sayanda fela. Si ayanda fela. Si ayanda fela king tweet. Uskare hawbo, uskare hawbo.
Imasiswami. Ima wena mfethu kanti ubani ayanda mfethu. Ufriend wakho kanjani mfethu phela uthi I love you and wayengakutshela umuntu okuthanda ukuthi uyamthanda yena yedwa.
She's her friend.
Umngani
Uthi friend ku I love you jangu friend yakho.
I'll tell you. So uthando than umngani wakho. Okay, son, wait, my brother. Tell me my phone, please. Remember? Okay, no. Why you come by me? Why you come by me? No, Sando, when I suspecting ukuthi awuthakho ijolene
It's all about
ubani awuthemba ubani ayanda. Okay, when awuthemba wena so uyavuma wena ukuthi ngijolene nomngani wakhe. Kwenzakaleni? Ufuna isithembu? You want a polygamy? You end them all. How many of them? So when I so when I tell mama no ayanda changa mali ukhona yabona ukuthi ngene umuntu ayanda. No,
Ayenza
umbuzo. Wabona ukuthi ngene umuntu. Siswami uyamuzwa ukuthi uya-admit uyasho ukuthi yena no ayanda ba right. Awuthemba ngathi bayafonela futhi. Siswami ngicela uvulele message lena. I'll tell you today. Because nayi message phela and ayanda. So someone now my number. When you know my number and una phone yakhe. Okay guys, I don't want ukuthi ngenze izinto zibe hard some. Yeah, into engcono because uAndi to yamanzi and uthi okay first. Okay first. When uthi yamanzi uAndi, you know what I'm thinking ne? I think kuzomela ukuthi stand uAndi. When I outside khona uzoyikhulumela, but before we do that Siswam, now ngiya understand ukuthi ukwatile
ninja yawo.
No, for yini kanjani athi ufebele umuntu wakhe nelemuntu yokuthanda. Uqonda ukuthini? Wena umthanda, okay, wena umthanda umuntu wakho.
Angiyamthanda.
Uyamthanda pho waye udla umngane wakhe pho.
She's the host in the whole thing.
Oh, she's the host. So we okay.
Jaden mkhotwa.
Kanti
No,
uthanda
no, go understand mkhotwa. No, serious. How serious?
why when outside when ujolela uthando umngane wakhe indaba bese akusatisfy nempedeni because mina ngamthatha phela uAyanda mangamthanda uthando mangamthanda. Yini outside? Okay mfethu.
Ayanda uyangithanda.
Oh uyakuthanda and now uyamthanda. Okay, listen my sister. My brother, ngicela ukuthi sithole airtime mfethu. I just want us to call uAyanda and get ukuthi but okay, ngicela sifonele uAyanda. Ngicela udala ama number and outside sifonele uAyanda njengoba ukuthi eze mfethu. Thando yamazi uAyanda. Akekho, she's not far from here. Okay. Ngicela ngifayela speaking. Yes. Busi, can you bring? Come on. Can you bring? Can I have the phone? Come. Talk to. Hello, Ayanda.
Okay. Oh, kimoko smiling tree.
Mtshela uthi kuphuthi.
Kopa o tla re ka mitafo e.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, sharp. Let's go gonna minutes. Sharp.
All right, cool. We have Ayanda on the call. Ayanda uyeza. So guys, we're gonna walk right now. Khona sowazi uhlangabeza uAyanda. But before we do that, I just wanna know ukuthi wena outside mfethu, you've seen everything and you admitting ukuthi wena vele umhlaba uAyanda. And you right.
What do you mean? Usengathi what do you mean?
Yeah, I'm just being honest.
What do you mean?
You're just being honest. So uyayisola ngale nto esenzakala ukuthi wena noAyanda you are just sparking parties and everything.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of. All right, guys, we had so. Thando ima usamthanda umuntu wakho.
Packet. Genau die mixed feelings. I understand. Jaden bani ngirasa.
Jaden ngantwana wayenza kanje mfethu.
Different
Oh, umngani wakhe.
Yeah.
And naye ugaga kamnandi ne?
Yangaya ngamnandi.
Kanti akagayi ngamnandi uthando.
Ne bekiyetsa. The compliment I get kirang every single time I get look at him.
Siswam.
Be friend how nae ba ke nna ke tse.
Emapili mfethu.
I can understand.
Okay, cool.
Kind of. So naki rajang kapet. Kapeta na bethenga ubantwethu kapeta.
Uyabheda yini empedeni wekubuza. Manje indaba uphuma uyefuna abanye abantu. Awuthembi ungakhohlwa nawe ukuthi as much as singaya kuphi nakuphi mfethu naye uma isister phone yakhe sikakayisage and asazi ukuthi sizothola but I don't mind that. Kwenza ngalani? Okay. So we're going to walk to Smiling Tree that side because Ayanda kuthiwa ungapha Smiling Tree nansi yalaphana. So we're going to be going that side to see her but before we go there sicela mfethu ukuthi check ifone yomuntu wakho. When it's guys, it's couple switching phones. Sisalinde uAyanda, my sister uyavuma ukuthi singayichecka iphone yakhe. Musa, can I have a phone please? We need to know both of them. Ayanda is on the way. She's coming here. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be bananas. My name is King Ginger Cream Tell Cream, and this is Nia Sembanana Katlehong edition. iPhone baba, Sorini. Niyarasa into ngiyasebenza la. Yeah, making noise. Guys, I have a phone and the phone my sister ngitshelile ngezinja zegame but ama iPhone baphethe ukuthi kwenzakalani, you understand? So now it's about that time ukuthi sibone ukuthi uthando yena khamba kanjani kuye and then and pin. Ngicela ungifake on face. Yeah bana, kadi blur vele kuthiwa. Top ama iPhone banban. All right, my brother, hold the phone, please. Thank you so much. It's about that time. Couples switching phones. Asibone kasdam ngena WhatsApp. Okay, whoa. Wait. Right here, Uguti. I love you. All right, it's about that time. Couple switching phones. We are set.
Wenzani wena? Ubani Themba? Really? But it seems like you're dating.
So if you're not dating anything because nangu Themba and uvele yena lapha on top ukuthi athi ukhuluma naye kwenzakalani because I just wrote I love you and then ivele uThemba phezulu. You know. I'll tell me so uthi wena wenza into yenza siswami kodwa usungaze wenza kanjena. No kanjena kodwa unomuntu othandana naye. I'll tell me uthini ngale nto phethu.
Why ndira so Joe? King revenge. Okay, lo no gala kanina.
Hey, I'll tell me hayi ukuthi naye udlala ngawe niyadlalana. Hayi nayo uyayifebela kazi lami. Nayo uyayifebela. So kanjani? Okay, kwenzeka. Okay, wena siswami ukuthi wena umpebeli kwenzakalani? Kwenzakalani ke kuwe awusami? Siswami wena uthini ngalokho?
Uyirang Ayanda.
Wenzani Ayanda? Okay, wena siswami wena wenzani ke wena? Wenzani noThemba?
Themba ngimkhonzwa ka busy nje phela una next.
Okay, mfethu uthi uba busy ke khona ithi mhlawumbe ayadlala kuphela wena ke uthini ngalokho? Bana udlu Ayanda nje and uHanda umngani wakhe. Wena umazi noThemba?
Angamazi. Really?
Mara nje no busy. Stop blame na no busy. Rathwani.
Ngicela ukubuza mfethu. Wazi uThemba wena?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Uyamazi?
Yeah.
uThemba uyini nawe?
Hayi, inowamuthu nje.
Get out your try thing man.
Yeah.
When siswami when uyamazi nawe. So nina siswami into eniyenzayo lana nifebelana ngabantu nibazi. All right, guys. I think we need to move to Smiling Tree. Sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa awuthami. All right, let's go to Smiling. What do you think, Musa? Can you hold the phone? Right now, we're moving with the couples. We're going to Smiling Tree, where we're gonna be meeting Ayanda, right?
Yeah.
Your friend, right? Right? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, wait, no.
Where is that?
So you know Ayanda? Umutiba Ayanda. All right, close friends. Okay, cool. I want you to control the camera. I don't like that. So Sam, uti wena. Okay. So right now we're meeting with Ayanda. Guys, we are here at Smiling Tree K1 where we want to know when's Agalani. Because we're on the Josephine. Guys, where's Ayanda? Oh, your man's a Oh, Nangu Ayanda. Oh, is this? Wait, no.
Where is that?
Wait! Okay. Okay, so son. I just want to know, when it's someone comes, Ryan, are you guys friends?
With who?
With the Tando?
No, that's my boyfriend.
Oh, your boyfriend! How, so son? Okay, so son, what's on the Wait, don't fight. No, I'll tell. Son, okay. Okay, we want to know the truth. And let's get on our spot this time. Okay. Wait. Can we do it here? Can we do it here? All right. I wanna. Wait, Musa. Please, man. Please. She's powerful. She's very powerful. Listen, guys. We're not fighting here. We're not come to side. We're not fighting here. We're not. There. Okay. All right, cool guys. All right, cool guys. Cool. Munjan, your name is? Okay, Ayanda, you are very famous and popular. You are very famous and popular in this show because since we started the show, I got these beautiful couples. And then I search my phone nabo, kuthola igama lakho, and then I search efonini ukuthi kuthola igama lakho. Uthando athuyakwazi. Umngane wakho siswami.
This is my friend. I go work out with her. Riya, how Jaden Reno kaufela.
Okay,
when market.
Wena siswami kanti wenzakalani nawe uma usunyonyobela umuntu womuntu?
Mama ngishala mina nyenzeni.
Arikwena. UJaden athi wena.
Yimi vele shambona ngila.
Imani. Okay. Hey, wait. Okay.
Ngiyafuna. Nyenzeni.
Jaden mfethu. Kanti ngicela ukubuza mfethu.
Yeah.
Windoda omzulu. Awuyena umzulu. Yazi mfethu amadoda amazulu kuphela ngazi ukuthi anesithembu mfethu. Indaba ungasintroduce isithembu mawuthi asifuni because nabo abantu bami. Okay, Jaden, can I ask this question? Yini mnandi ni Jaden empeteni?
Kurlena ke mofaka bese abamtshela uri
Manje.
ke wena.
Okay.
Unakhaleta.
Thola nani?
Alright.
Wena sisami isikhathi ngana nithandani.
Impossible.
Okay, uyakuphika lokho. Kanti umngane wakho usuma khuluma mfowethu.
Ngata mango wena.
It's been 3 years. Uthanda abaningi nangumuntu okhe kuzo.
Ngata mango. Khuluma zinyo. Ngithanda banda.
Wena siswami ubunojeleni nini kwakini?
Ona wampita chile rutodile makukarando
Ngishaya
keshe.
Okay. So when we just
I know, I love both of them, my guy.
Hayibo. Manje indaba ungabatshela ukuthi ufike mina. No, you need to choose one. Uthanda bani between them?
Hayi khonakala bafana.
Awuza Brian.
Choose one.
Choose
one.
wena, singakukata ngilithi. Choose.
I'm not choosing.
Hey, choose one. Okay, I'll tell you to pass one. Shoot
I
them
love
over.
both of them.
You like both of them. So you wanna?
Nani kimi ke wena? Mina ngisafuni ke. Sala nomuntu wakho ke.
Awufuni?
Yeah, ngisafuni.
When you some
Awufuni.
when you some phone out them.
Angiyafuni.
Yo cabanga.
When you some mutsini. When it's stand. Now some phone.
1 year 6 months ka fela ke go still wena.
1 year.
1 year.
Yes. 1 year.
So sampa.
So when it's stand uyabona
Kimi
ukuthi
njalo ngathi ni side chick.
3 years. Abe side chick kanjani 3 years. When now what?
Habo bantsele ku ande bamtsele bantsele uska hayi wena
Hayi wena ngirangane.
Hayi!
Ngirangane wena.
Iman
Ngishisa kanje wena.
Iman. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, ubani umemungela at least so that you can know ukuthi ubani maqondana. You have your 3 years this side and you have your 1 year 3 months.
Beka ni awuthiyam. 3 years nirishapana. No attachment. Don't worry.
Ha! Abangixayela wena. Wena ungimpatha wena. Wena ungixayela nokushapana. Sex phela. Yo, wangixayela.
Okay.
No say back. No say back.
Umuntu wena, umuntu wami lona. Awumnandi futhi empedeni akatsheli. Akatsheli na ukuthi umnandi empedeni. Awungazongishayela wena. Ungangishayeli.
Siswami imaqala. Uno 3 years angisana ne out yakho. Uno 3 years angithi. Out yakho mfethu 1 year 3 months. Should umthandani. Ubani umuntu umthanda between them. You can't say you love both of them. You wasted 3 years.
Makahlahla nesiboshela.
Mina.
Uyamosha.
Okay.
Alukiseni, bathi alukiseni.
Awubaki.
Siswami wena mfethu ufuna bani?
Awuthi. Ngebala umuntu wakhe.
Ubani umuntu wakho wena no so that we can let you go and then sibone ke ukuthi ubani umuntu wakho. Awanda option. Uanda.
Anda yini uthini wena? Uthini?
Eze nona kusafana.
Uthini?
Nale 4 round sekuseni.
So wena wena kadelele nawe ekseni.
Manje.
Akuzeli umuntu wakhe.
Ibuku umuntu wakho. Wena uhamba naye. Uthi akasafuni mfethu sonke ngalokho.
Amfuni. Amfake.
Mayeze la sibeni.
Oh wena sisamo sampuna vele.
Alale la.
Okay, guys. Manje wena wasubaleka noThando kuphela. Guys, you too close. Let's go this side. Come Okay, Autumn. Why are you running with uThando? What to tell Thando?
You're not running.
What do you mean you're not running? Nangu umuntu wakho nje.
We're going home.
But in 3 years,
Yeah, 3 years.
someone okay ukuthi umjida wakho sakuqhubeka naye noma ekungani wakho.
Just move this side for some.
Guys, I just want to know when I tell me should say njengoba uhamba nomuntu wakho should uyena umshuzayo.
Yeah,
Yini kwenza ukuthi ushuze uthanda?
because I love her, bro.
What do you mean 1 year 3 months ukune 3 years wena no Ayanda?
We were just fucking.
For 3 fucking years.
No attachment.
But doesn't it's fine. I talk,
Boom, 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 guys, it's crazy in Katlehong. Uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. I'm very, very shocked because ngizelana ngithi ngizolungisa, but it seems like abantu engithi ngizama ukubalungisela indaba zabo ayihlangani. We have uAyanda lana esimlandile and othole i-call from umngani wakhe ukuthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, only to find out ukuthi futhi kuzophinde kugajwe yena umuntu bese siswami, what's going on? Why out yakho it decide to choose uThando all of the sudden yini kanti ubungamningi ngami. So now what's going on? If friendship why uphika uThando ukuthi when uyamazi, because uThando uthi uyakwazi, and now you guys are fighting and uThando now is pushing me. I don't like to be pushed. Another thing, guys, on this show angilwi nabantu, I'm here to fix things. You understand? But I don't like the fact ukuthi abantu bathanda ukubeka isandla kumina. What's going on siswami? Akusiyo umngani wakho. But yena uclaim ukuthi wena umngani wakhe nje. Maybe twins like. Guys, uyazwela na ukuthi uAyanda uthi agena umngani wakhe uthi maybe i-twins like. Magayi ngicela ungene lo short left lo uzongena kuwo and then uzopaka kahle ne. Lapha engathi kubomvu khona or something. Yes. Siyazwela sonke mfethu ukuthi kwenzakalani eK1 akuthandwana agena umngani wakhe and uyamphika and umngani wakhe uthi bazana for years bahlale bechila bonke and bahlale bephuza bonke. Understand. Siswami, we're taking you home. So uzokwenza njani wena ngale relationship? Are you gonna qhubeka with it or mhlambe ukuphela kwayo? Kere parking nje la kahle. Yona ndawo yethu. Nizoqhubeka. Okay, usisuthi bazoqhubeka bafethu ngoba uyamthanda, ngithi wena uyamthanda umuntu wakho. Right. basemathandweni, King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, CMTV, you know what it is. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase, umavela ngokhala, umabhodwa amanzi, abafokazana bebhodla utshwala.